Good morning, guys. It's the next morning, and it's for New Year's. Happy New Year's!
So the other day we did the first video, right?
Yep.
And we opened the first set of boxes.
Yep.
The other day we did the second video and we opened some more boxes. And this is the third video.
Yeah, and I left these Hatchimals over here at night. So I came back down here after superhero training to finish my video.
Okay, so do you want to pick one of those three containers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So pick which one you want to open.
We'll
do one more this time, and then we'll do a fourth video, and we'll open the last two. Okay?
So I'm gonna start opening it. Now I can't pick a different box because I'm already opening it.
So Alyssa's unboxing one of the packages that came in this huge box.
Santa brought me that huge box, and I was sick on Christmas, but then I felt better and I was surprised that was wrapped. I didn't even think he was gonna bring me that. I put it on my list and I didn't know if he was gonna bring me that, because I already have a lot.
So it says that there's 24 Hatchimals total in here, right? Uh-huh. Well, not in that container. There's two in there, but total in this box. Okay, so tell me what color your speckles are.
Purple, orange, I think.
Okay, so it says it should be purple and pink maybe? Jungle and desert. So remember, it says to hold the egg in your hand, rub the heart. When the heart changes from purple to pink, it's ready to hatch. And then you push right above the heart and with your thumb, and you crack it, and then
Mama,
you can open it.
I think they all know that.
Well, maybe somebody didn't see the other two videos.
I hear one. I'm gonna open this one first. Let's stick this one like that. This'll take a while. So guys, now I am going to open.
Did the heart change to pink?
No, but I can do it. Let's see which one this is. Which family is it from?
You said blue, right? Dark blue? It's from... I don't know, river or ocean? One of those two.
It won't come out. It's stuck in there. It's from the lizard thing.
What color is its wings? Ooh, pink. That means it's rare. Do you want me to tell you which one you have? Oh, I see it.
But it's
It's from Crystal Canyon. It's Crystal Chameleon. Look, it's down here.
What's its name?
Crystal Chameleon.
Its name is Crystal Chameleon.
Let me see.
It's from
Is that it? Let me see.
the dark blue family.
Yeah. It's from the Crystal Canyon family.
Hey,
And this one's rare because it has pink wings.
let me have to get the instructions. The construction.
So he's cute.
Hey, Mama.
Hmm.
I think this one is the color egg. Yeah, it is. By the way, that unicorn is in there. The last Hatchimals is ready. And on part 4, then Hey, you, come here. What? Stay there. I won't hurt it. Yay, it's here. She's here. She's here. Isn't that so sweet? It has gray rays.
Oh, it matches that horse?
Woody. Oh, they're friends.
Oh, I found it. Its name's Pote.
Pote. What's this one's name?
That one's. Oh, they both have the same name.
Pote.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Pote. Hi, Pote. Hey, Pote.
So we realized that each of these
Pote.
papers that tell you what they are, they have a map piece on the back.
Where do they both live in the same place?
Yes. They're both from the jungle.
Hey. Hey.
Okay, so that was the third video, Lissa. So come back next time to see
Me open the 2 more Hatchimals. But it was actually 2 more.
All right, so
So, I hope you liked seeing me open my Hatchimals. So, I hope you liked it. And like it, subscribe the video. I know I said that before. Well, I said anything.
subscribe to the channel
And give me a huge thumbs up.
and come back next week to see Alyssa open the remaining 2 Hatchimal boxes. Okay?